In Canadian law, impartiality and credibility are fundamental concepts, especially in the context of evidence and testimony in legal proceedings. Today, we're talking about the case regarding credibility. Credibility is one to pertain to trustworthiness of a witness and their testimony. Credibility assessments are made by the judges or the juries and are based on various factors, and such including the consistency of testimony, the demeanor of witness, the plausibility of their statements, and the reliability. If a witness is deemed not credible, their testimony may be given less weight or disregarded entirely in the decision-making process.
Let's move on to the story.
Once upon a time, in a bustling city far away, there lived a woman named Li Shao, who dreamed of reuniting her daughter, Lin Ding, in a land of opportunity, Canada. Lin, who had already made Canada her home, sponsored her mother's journey to join her, igniting a tale of hope, challenging, and the pursuit of family reunion. Li Shao, a woman of resilience and dreams, submitted her application for permanent residence in January 2015. Her heart set on a new life with her daughter. However, as fate would have it, their journey was not to be a straightforward one. The visa office in Hong Kong, where Li's application was processed, raised a red flag. They sent a procedures fairness letter in March 2017, expressing doubts about the truthfulness of Li's marital status. Li had claimed to be divorced since 1998, but her previous visa application listed her as married. Li only explained that she asked one friend with colleagues to help her to complete 2007 temporary resident visa, which formed the base of 2009 temporary resident visa application. As for sponsorship, the application was made by her daughter, and the accurate information. This twist in their story led to a pivotal decision. Li's application was refused on the grounds of misrepresentation. The visa office believed that Li had either provided false information or withheld the truth about her marital status. Undeterred, Li and Lin decided to change this decision. They embarked a legal question, seeking a judicial review of the refusal. In their journey through the labyrinth of the law, they argued that the visa office has been unfair. They claimed the office letter was vague and did not specify what they needed to address the concerns. Furthermore, they argued the officer had overlooked several important pieces of evidence, like notarized translation of a document that listed Li as divorced. The case made its way to the federal court, a place where justice and fairness were guiding lights. The court listened intently to their story, with the arguments on the scales of justice. The judge acknowledged that while applicants bear the responsibility to provide complete and accurate information, visa officers too have a duty to consider all evidence before them. In a dramatic turn of events, the court found the visa officer's decision unreasonable. The judge noted that the decision failed to consider all relevant information, leaving doubts about whether Li's claim of being divorced was truly exempt. Thus, the court waived gavel, and the decision was set aside. Li's application was to be re-examined by a different visa officer, giving her and Li a new ray of hope. The story of Li Shao and Lin Ding is more than just a legal battle. It's a story of determination, the complexity of immigration law, and undying spirit of a mother and a daughter fighting for their right to be reunited. It serves as a poignant reminder of the importance of thoroughness, consistency, and clarity in the journey through the intricate path of immigration.
Unraveling case decisions.
In the case of Li Ye Shao, a critical aspect of the visa officer's roles comes to the forefront. The obligation to consider the entirety of an applicant's immigration history and submit the documents before making a decision. Li Ye Shao's immigration journey includes multiple temporary resident visa applications in 2007, 2009, and 2011, a visa extension in 2010, and a family sponsorship application. Crucially, she provided the authorized who code and the certificate of relationship during her 2010 visa extension applications. The global case management system indicates Li Shao divorce status as of January 2010. However, the visa officer's assessment appeared to be primarily based on the information from the year 2007 and 2009 temporary resident visa applications, leading to doubts about authenticity of her divorce certificate and consequently her credibility. This selective consideration of information raised questions about the thoroughness of the officer's evaluation and process. Applicants bear the responsibility to highlight all pertinent documents in their responses to the procedures fairness letters. In Li Ye Shao's case, a more comprehensive and accurate response to the PFL, emphasizing her complete immigration history and supporting documents, could have mitigated the perceived misrepresentation. This case underscores the fine line between unintentional oversight and perceived misrepresentation in immigration applications, emphasizing the need for applicants to provide a detailed and a complete response to address any concerns raised by immigration authorities.
Case insight dissemination.
The first one, understand the importance of credibility. Recognize that credibility is a crucial factor in immigration applications. An applicant's honesty and the reliability of their information are crucial to the decision-making process. Number 2, provide comprehensive and accurate information. Ensure that all information and documentation submitted in your application are accurate and complete. Misrepresentation, whether intentional or due to omission, can lead to application refusal and potentially a 5-year bar on reapplying. Number 3, consistency across the applications. Ensure consistency in the information provided across all the immigration applications, including past and present ones. Discrepancy in details like marital status, employment history, or addresses can raise concerns about credibility. Last one, respond thoroughly to procedures fairness letters. If issues a procedures fairness letter, respond thoroughly and address all concerns raised, include clear examinations and relevant documents to substantiate your case even though submitted before. Treat the procedure fairness letters as the fully new exam paper.
Understanding key terms.
PFL, Procedures Fairness Letter. Think of PFL like a warning letter. In immigration processes, if the visa officer finds something in your application that they're unsure about or that seems incorrect, they send you this letter. It's like a hands up saying, we've noticed something that could be a problem, and we're giving you a chance to explain or correct it. That is important because it allows you to clear up any misunderstandings or provide additional information that officer might need to make a fair decision on your application. GCMC, Global Case Management System, is like a big digital file cabinet used by Canadian immigration authorities. Whenever you apply for a visa, permit, or residency, all the information about your application from your personal details to the officer's notes and decision is stored in this system. Think of it as a comprehensive record of your entire immigration history and interactions with Canadian immigration services. It helps officers keep track of applications and make informed decisions based on all the information available. As GCMS, an applicant can use an ATIP, access to information and privacy request, to access their global case management system notes. The ATIP is a process in Canada that allows individuals to request question access to government records, including their own immigration files held by the Immigration, Refugees and Citizens of Canada. Through an ATIP request, applicants can obtain detailed records of their immigration applications, including notes made by the visa officers, status of their application, and any other relevant information contained in GCMS. This can be particularly useful for understanding the reasons behind decisions made on the application or for preparing for further or future applications or appeals. How to access ATIP? So easy. Open Export GPS on the OpenAI website. Type in portal link. Choosing General Portal Access in this app. Type in applicant for ATIP. And the relevant information with link comes out.
Hope you have enjoyed the story of misrepresentation today. See you next time.